Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. Completely random video today. I just wanted to talk about something. I wanted to talk about programming and why it's so hard to get into it. I've just spent 3 days trying to get this to work. I finally did it. This is called Moralis. It's a boilerplate, so it's like a how do you explain it? It's like a template website built on React, and yeah, it was really complicated, and I'm a complete noob to this kind of thing. I can't even get this one here to work, Web3 UI kit, but I wanted to talk about something and why programming is so hard to get into. So the reason it's so hard to get into is because the people who make tutorials are programmers, okay, and there's nothing wrong with that, and a lot of them, they make good tutorials, but they always miss fundamental pieces of information for a noob. Okay, so let me tell you a story of what have I been doing for the last 3 days. I have been manually installing all of these dependencies, and it just has not been working, and I was pulling my hair out. I almost gave up earlier tonight, and then I realized a little bit too late that if you don't know, you can do git clone. This is Visual Studio Code. If you're interested in videos, I can make some videos about coding and my journey, etc. I find it personally pretty interesting. So yeah, this is the Ethereum boilerplate. I don't know if this is the right one actually. Yeah, it is. So you do git clone, and let me just make a new one. Let me do a new window. Now that I've learned this, I do not have to worry anymore. Okay, so let's say you're brand new to coding, you don't know what you're doing. So I'm going to do git clone, and then I'm going to clone this repository. This will put all of the necessary files into a folder. So if I do cd and then Ethereum boilerplate, that will take me to the file that I just made. And then at this point, this is where I got incredibly confused. Let me just open this and file, open folder, Ethereum boilerplate. Oh, folder. I definitely pressed folder there. Select folder, there we go. Okay, so when you're at this point, you might be thinking, how do I make it work? So if you don't know, you need all of these packages, okay? And like I said, I was doing this, okay? So I was looking and I was seeing, it needs Wallet Connect Web3 provider. So I was doing the classic new terminal, make sure you do, I'm already in Ethereum boilerplate, and I would just be doing npm and then this, and I'd be installing them all one by one, okay? And I just found out about 5 minutes ago, after wasting about 3 days of my life, you can just type yarn here and it just installs everything. You have no idea how much time this will save me. Yeah, it's been killing me. But yeah, so all I really need to learn now is a little bit of React. I'm also learning Flexbox and things like that to make things look nice. And anything I create will be usable on mobile and on desktop, because it's a PWA using service workers, as you can see here. I'm pretty sure the React is PWA, which is like a progressive web app. If you use any SaaS tools, you'll know what a web app is. It's like app.jarvis.com or whatever it might be. And you can use it on your phone, you can use it on your computer, and it works the same way. That's the whole point of these, the newer kind of PWA system. So if I right click inspect element, you can see it doesn't matter. Wait, let me just click on, you can see that it's responsive, it works on everything just the same way, it has everything sorted. And if I wanted to make this entire DEX, I could just make this into a website like pretty easily, just changing the CSS. I could go live tomorrow. This has all the correct licenses. I'm allowed to use this, which is pretty incredible. And if you want some more videos about this kind of stuff, let me know. I find this super interesting. I thought just connecting a wallet would take me years to learn, but because of things called SDKs, which is software development kits, everything is a lot easier nowadays, and you just have to know how to basically put things together, which is what I've been working on. So I can use what you're seeing here to, for example, I can keep everything, I can delete all this, but I can keep this, and then once people log in with their wallet, I can have a crypto game here, which people can play. It can be a super simple JavaScript game. I don't think it's that hard. I can probably clone as well and just change certain things about a game, make it into a crypto game, make it into NFTs where they earn NFTs, and yeah, that's one example of what I can do with this. You can make a minting dApp with this kind of system. Anything that has this login is, yeah, Moralis has saved me years of learning, basically. I don't have to do any of the complicated things. It will even switch network to Ethereum if I switch here. And yeah, anyone can do this. You literally just have to Google search Ethereum Boilerplate, and then you have to just you just do what I did in this video. I basically just did it. So if I do what is it, npm start, this should open another one. This should work first time, and it should open it here. I guess this, yeah, I would like to. This wasn't supposed to be a tutorial, but this has turned into a tutorial somehow. So another really cool thing as well, if I go on my NFTs, I think I'm on the wrong wallet here. Yeah, I am. I'm on the wrong wallet. Hang on. Let me go on. Don't ask me what this is. Let me go on Google Chrome, and then if I just ignore that. Yeah, look, these are the NFTs that I made. I haven't shown anyone this, and I'm probably not going to ever release these. But look, you can transfer NFT, you can sell on OpenSea, all this good stuff, guys. I think this is really cool. This should load. It's probably going to take a while, so I'm probably just going to wrap the video up here because it does take about 5 minutes to load the first time, which... Is that a problem? I don't think that's a problem. I think it's just because it's starting the development server, to be honest with you. I don't really know much about programming, to be honest with you. So the fact that I'm going to put, you can't see, but in inverted commas, that I made this website in 3 days with basically no programming experience should really motivate you guys. Why did this not work? Something went wrong. I don't know what went wrong, but yeah, you get the idea. It's really simple. It should work still. Anyway, yeah, this is the Ethereum boilerplate from Moralis, and there is another one which is called the Web3 UI kit. I don't know if this is a boilerplate. No, it's not a boilerplate. This is just a UI kit. I've just realized what the difference is while making this video. It's a similar concept, but you have to add everything yourself, which I'm still struggling with. I still can't really get my head around adding things. I don't know why that's not working, but yeah, this was working before, even with these problems, so I'm not really sure what the problem is, but I think it's because it's on localhost 3000 instead of 3001 instead of 3000. So what am I actually doing this for? I'm probably going to be making a DeFi app. I have no idea what it's going to be about, but I just want to be able to make them so that people can then pay me for that service in the future. So I have to learn React, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Because I mean, smart contracts are really simple. They're not as complicated as they seem, for sure. They seem super complicated, but once you get into it, it's not that complicated. Anyway, I thought I would just let you guys know that when you do a GitHub clone, just to run yarn immediately, because I didn't know that, and I hope that someone watches this video and they didn't know that either, and now you do. I will see you really soon with some more content. I'm really busy at the moment, guys, as you can probably tell. I spent probably 18 hours a day trying to work out how to just do this. I did it before, but it wasn't working fully, and the reason is because I didn't have all of the dependencies installed because I didn't do yarn install. Anyway, see you soon with some more content, and peace out.